I think maybe if you stand up.
Blessing.
She don't go to school? No. Blessing, how are you? How old are you?
Climb on top the toilet seat. Now I will see you.
Let me come on this side first. Let's do it this way.
Make you no follow.
No.
I
will hold it.
Alright. I will hold it. I climb for the toilet seat. Now I will see you.
Okay. How old are you? Huh? 13 years. Are they your parents?
How many years?
So why did they lock inside the toilet?
Because I went to somewhere.
Where did you go to?
I went to buy something.
Okay. Do you go to school? Eh? So when last do you go to school? Huh? You don't need to go to school. Where's your mother and your father? Huh? What about your mother? So they lock it. Did they put food for you inside that place? Is there food there?
Is there water?
Is there water in that place? There's no food, there's no water. So who locked inside the toilet there? Your auntie. What about your auntie's husband? Since when? So your auntie went where? Where's her shop?
Mega cheese.
Mega chips. Sorry. This one a wickedness. So.
See that guy they see?
So help me, pass me the phone. Let me just get a picture of her. Right. Can you see your face?
So that you see your face.
I can't see your face.
Blessing.
Okay. Oh, stand up.
Stand up here.
Sorry, eh? You want to still stay here? I want to go. Eh? You want to go, right? Eh? Okay, I'll come back for you, yeah? So find way to